now, so here we go.
YouTube, what's up guys? I am Ella and I'm here to review Mitch's latest family edition. Straight out of Florida, we have a new Lotus behind me. Now I can honestly tell you, I don't know that much about cars, but what I do know, I have learned from Mitch's YouTube, so make sure you like and subscribe. Now, as from an outsider's perspective, I just want to look at the body lines behind me because Mitch always says that CELICAs look like they are a spaceship, you know, with the smooth lines, but to me, this is like the pinnacle of a spaceship. It just looks like it's ready to shoot into the future. Now, from a wang perspective, I feel like it's missing the wang. I think that might be one of the first things that he does to change it, and I support him. But if you follow his channel, you know that he switched out this car and sold his Evo. I'm pretty upset about it. I was a little devastated because it was his daily driver. We took a lot of vacations and adventures, and he's laying down in the background. Just take after take, guys. This is what it takes. But I was really sad that he got rid of the Evo, but I support change and try to do different things, and if you were gonna change out one daily driver for the next, I suppose that it should be this Lotus. Now, I don't know about you, but just looking at it, I feel like the black color does not do it justice. Maybe you guys can help us out and figure out a new color that would actually complement this a little bit better so it can get the attention that it deserves, because I'm thinking something brighter, something more intense, maybe even a galaxy wrap. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below.
Okay, I got hijacked. I cloned myself. It's a mini-me.
No.
With blonde hair.
No. Not a mini-me.
Oh, whatever.
I compliment. I'm the partner in crime.
Yeah, she's a partner in crime. Hey, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take her and we're gonna hot rod this thing. Well, overall, I think she likes this car. When she first saw it, she thought it was insane. It looks sick. I think it does look sick. A lot of people actually really like the look of the Evora. It does a really good job. It does look like a spaceship. She is absolutely right, and it does need a wang. So what we're gonna do, is be a gentleman and open up the door for her, because we're gonna go for a ride. And I just wanted her to see how fast this thing is. So let's go ahead and jump in the Evora and let's go. Okay, so last time you filmed me getting into the other one.
Oh, I should have done that, guys. But this one is so much smoother. Yep. I can say that usually it takes an arm and a leg, extra shoulder strength to get in and out of this thing. It's low enough to the ground that it looks sick, but not too low that it scratches on everything we drive over. So that's a plus.
The Evo did that.
Yeah, the Evo. This is a little bit of an upgrade, but it's sleek. It's still low. It's still beautiful. Now, where are we going, babe?
So we're just gonna do a couple like in-town pulls, and then of course this car's really quick, so we'll do a highway rip. And I just want her reaction to see how fast this is. If it's 350 horsepower. It's probably actually more, and we're gonna do a dyno on it soon here. It's probably more. The reason why it's more than the 345, it does have an exhaust on it, and then I will probably end up putting a BOE to make it even faster, and then we can get a reaction for the even faster and faster and faster. Wow.
Yeah, so I'll say that if it's anything like the last one, the other Lotus, it felt dangerously fast. Like, just, I don't know, freaking out. You're holding on to all the snap handles in the car and just worried if you're gonna make it out alive. So I'm really curious if it's gonna have like a comparable, you know, sketchy feeling, or if it's just gonna be wicked fast.
Okay, so we are in the car. And
are we in the car?
We're in the car driving, and we're gonna go for a little pull right now, so here we go.
You were supposed to give me a countdown.
That was good.
Okay, yeah, that was good.
So that threw you back in your seat right
yeah.
there. So that was first gear. Yeah,
Let me just make sure I'm buckled in. Yeah. Good golly.
So that was first gear. So.
First gear?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
So it rips.
Yes, it does.
Yeah. Does it feel faster than Evo, or what does it feel like?
I don't know. The Evo to me always feels super heavy, so it feels like it's working extra hard to pull you forward. But this one is just like so luxurious, like ready, set, boom, and you take off. Like it's no work at all. But it still did just catch me off guard completely and knocked me back in my seat. Yeah. So maybe I'm unaware of all the power. We haven't pulled on the highway yet. We're just on a back road.
Yeah. So we're in this amazing, beautiful road.
So beautiful.
As you guys can see, it's very windy.
Now you can see.
Yeah, so I mean, this is what the Lotus is meant for. It is meant for, you know, you can go fast a straight line, but it's definitely meant for the cornering. So I mean, yeah, you can.
Oh my gosh, babe, don't kill us! Ah!
Yeah. So.
Okay, the brakes work. The brakes work, guys.
Pretty good, right? But it really pulls out of a corner.
Okay, this is our last will and testament before he murders me in this car.
So here's a nice pull.
What is that? Oh.
55 miles an hour. That's it.
In like a second and a half?
We only go the fastest we've ever gone is 55 miles an hour.
Yes, this is true.
Thanks, James.
Never faster.
So yeah, that's in town. So how does it feel in town?
It definitely handles, especially the corners, and like I said, the brakes work, which is my #1 concern whenever I'm in the car with him because he goes fast.
I did want to say this entire time, this is important, we've not been in sport mode.
Ooh, sport mode.
So,
it's coming up fast.
Here, you guys we'll be able to hear it. So this is not sport mode, and now we're going to turn it into sport mode.
A little purr. A little purr.
Yeah, it's a little bit quicker. Did you feel getting sideways?
Yes. Please don't kill us. Oh my gosh, the whoopties. This is better than going to the fair. I'm just gonna say, if you can get in a car with somebody that knows how to drive with a really fast car, you'll only feel like you're gonna die a little bit. Just like a fair ride. Oh, just like a fair ride. Oh my gosh. You can't tell how fast we're going. You can tell by my hair. Okay. Do it for the YouTube, right? Just for you guys.
Pretty quick, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, very, very, very enjoyable. I love it. It really puts the power down too for being mid-engine, rear-wheel drive. It does a great job. Absolutely.
Look at this road ahead of us.
Oh, yeah.
The whoops.
Oh, alrighty.
Adrenaline engage.
So we're gonna merge onto the highway now.
Yes.
Just let her kind of feel a little bit of full open throttle. Again, we're in
I'm
sport.
not ready.
We're in sport mode. I was born ready.
Yeah.
It'll really step out. The back end will really, yeah, it'll go.
Will it go?
Yeah, it's tail happy.
It definitely grabs the road in a straight line. Oh my gosh.
What?
It's just scary. I'd say it's like not you're gonna die, but it just gets up there so fast. And I'm sure if we weren't so intensely accelerating, only 55 though, it would feel like really luxurious because that's the kind of, I don't know, after effect that I get compared to the other one. The other one's a little bit more hollowed out, I want to say, and so it doesn't have that like...
Oh, the ELISE.
Yeah, the ELISE. Sorry, the other Lotus that he has, the 2-for-1 special. Yeah, this one just, it's a whippersnapper. It just gets up there, snap of the fingers.
Mm-hmm.
All right, final thoughts. Is it fast? Why, yes it is. Is it scary crazy? A little bit, but it actually depends on who's driving it. And this guy knows how to drive it. There we go. Knows how to scare me. The exterior, is it sleek? Does it look fast? Yeah. Is it an eye-catching wonder mysteriousness? Yes, I really like it. I'm glad he got it. New family edition, like I said. What else is there to be said? I mean, it's beautiful. I mean, do you guys want one? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe because he's the man with the plan with 2 Lotuses. All right, we're out.